Hi everybody, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. I have way too many things on my desk at the moment. And I was going to try to cram a lot of this into one video, and then I decided I'm going to break it into two. So I'm just going to, this one's not going to have a tutorial, but it is going to have stuff you want to see. So don't leave, because I'm going to do a couple of color comparisons for you. I've taken my glass mat off and it's sitting behind me. It's kind of cold. So first, if you don't have a copy, somebody sending you a copy of the annual catalog, then head to my website and you can find out how you can get a copy. Happy to send you your first copy free of charge. After that, everybody who purchases from me regularly gets one. Then this has been sitting here. I got it, I think, the day before we left for Houston last week, and I was hoping to have it sooner because I wanted to use it on some of my online exclusive cards, and now I've kind of moved on to new catalog and I don't want to get them confused. So I'm just going to show it to you, and then in a couple of days when well, who am I kidding? I bought way too many things to be done in a couple of days with the new catalog. But here's what's coming up. I'm going to do a few more. I'm not going to do all of the stuff that I got pre-order because I got it all for my Try It class. So be watching for registration for that. It'll have its own video. And then I'm going to maybe show you a couple of new kits because they're available now. Then I'll go back to do at least one online exclusive, maybe two, because I have some stuff I haven't even used yet. And then starting April 1st, I'm going to have a 40% off or greater series, because if you look at the last chance list starting on April 9th, there's a ton of stuff that's 40, 50, 60% off. So I'm going to do some cards that solely focus on those things. I am also going to do a video of things that are leaving that are not on sale. Because one is this set of dies. These are my favorite dies. I have used them a lot this year. I'll try to find, I send out all of the cards I make. So it's hard for me to go back and show you, but I might be able to post the pictures on my website. But this die is leaving, not on sale. So I'll kind of separate them. On April 8th, I will have a walkthrough of maybe 7th and 8th, because we have two catalogs of the things that are leaving that are on sale that I don't want you to miss. So this set, back to this, is Comforting Thoughts. It is an online exclusive available now. So I'm going to read you some of the things that I'm here for you, we're here for you, which is great for like an office card or something. I wish I could make this better. I hope this is a feeling better kind of day, thinking of you, praying for you, and hoping with you. And I love this one. There is no good card for this. I do have lots of love to give. I don't have the right words to say. And then there's a big old cancer sucks. So it's I love this set. I hate that we have to have sets like this, but I know a lot of you and a lot of us make sympathy cards. So this is Comforting Thoughts. It is available right now, as well as some other online exclusives. So I just picked up some that I didn't show you in the last video. So all of these things are available. Oops, not that one. Available right now. So if you go to my YouTube channel or my website, you'll see tutorials for all of these and a little bit more about the online exclusives. If you are signed up to take the coffee class, I'm almost ready to have club out the door. So it's going to be out a little bit early. And once my March club is gone, then I'm going to work on the coffee class. So I'll keep you updated as that goes. So then we have this goes with the new catalog. But what I want to do just real quick in this video, I've had several people email and ask for color comparisons. Now, I don't keep all of my retired stuff, but I just went into the room. I sell it all on eBay, where I had some eBay stuff that I haven't sold yet. So I pulled those colors. These are our new in colors. And here's this here, it really helps because people will say how close is to this to this. And a lot of times they are close. But Pretty in Pink was a color, I think we have decided 1998 to like 2013-ish, maybe 2003. I don't remember. 1998, it must be 2013. So Pretty in Pink was around a long time ago. So if they're going to bring back a color, it's going to be called the same thing. So if they're not called the same thing, sometimes we can look at it, and I do it all the time, and it will be like, that's just like that. I should see if I have some pale papaya. I might pause the video and go see. I don't know if I have any pale papaya or not. But what I have pulled out is colors that I have gotten messages for you guys from. So I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to show you the ones that you think that it might look like. So here's this color. And then here is our new color. So not even close. But I know sometimes between the camera and just our memories. So this is Summer Splash. And then this is Just Jade. I wouldn't even probably put those on a card together unless I had a third color to kind of tie them. So they're not even close. Just Jade and Summer Splash. So there's those two. So then the next one, let's do... I'm showing them to you upside down first. This is an old color, recently retired. Summer Sand, and then Basic Beige. Whoops, and my next project is laying here. It's all falling. So you can see Summer Sand. I would have said it was a light tan until you get a beige. So Basic Beige is much more lighter than Sahara Sand. So there's Sahara Sand and Basic Beige. And then, of course, the pinks. We always have a lot of good pinks, and that's the one that a lot of you have been asking about. So I'm going to, again, flip them over for the colors. Of course, it doesn't help when I have that laying there. There is a pink. A pink, because Petunia Pop, you can tell it has a little bit of purple in it, right? So here are three pinks. This is Berry Burst Currant, Melon Mambo Currant, and then Polished Pink, which has retired. So when you put Petunia Pop with it, you're going to see it really has a purple undertone. In fact, you've all been asking about the pink comparisons. If I'd shown you this first, you probably would have asked Petunia Pop more with some purple comparisons. It would be pretty with like Freesia and stuff. So it's Petunia. It is not a pink. So then we do have, I didn't bring it over here because I seriously am going to lose my stuff. Here is Pretty in Pink, which has been a color before. You can see anywhere near the pinks that we have now. And then I did pull out Blushing Bride because it was our lightest pink. And I remember when Pretty in Pink came in, went out, I think Blushing Bride was one that kind of took its place. It's close to Petal Pink. Petal Pink has much more of an orange tinge to it than these do, but this would probably be in between those. But pink is a pink. It's like a baby girl pink, I think. There's that. And then I did have some papaya. So here is Pale Papaya. And I mean, we've had colors like Cantaloupe. I like my colors out of here because I don't have much space. But here is Papaya and here is Peach Pie. Again, this has more of a yellow and a much brighter tone than Papaya was. So those are those colors. And then tons of you, I haven't even put mine together yet, have been asking if this is going to be for sale. So as of now, like when we got it, it was a perk. There have to be some perks, right, for going to an event. So it was a perk for attending on stage, which was our demonstrator event. We all got one free. And then it has this on the back that kind of explains it. I can't open the catalog to show you. So some of you might want to buy an extra catalog because it is in here full size. So you have this on one side of the page. And then on the flip side over here on the same page, it has definitions of these 4 ways to use a color wheel. So while it is not this exact, because if they do bring it for sale, it won't be right away. But once you have your catalog, you will have a whole one of these. Then the catalog's completely different on the inside. So it kind of takes you through a journey. It starts with kits at the beginning for those of you that are newer to stamping. Then kind of a choose your own adventure, which includes, I do have that laying here, includes these kind of cards where you can stamp a little bit and then they don't come together. So you can choose, mix and match which ones you like the best. And then all the suites are listed, which I love, right in a row instead of kind of throughout the catalog. But there's all kinds of fun things. There's tons of templates. Straight up templates. So in Try It class, we'll use 1 or 2 of those because I always try to find one in the catalog, but it's kind of, you have to see the card and then work backwards from it. This straight up has the template, and a lot of times it'll have the template and then it'll say we used the triadic colors, and on their tiny little color wheel, it will show you what colors and how they figured it out. So you will be referring back to this catalog a lot more than just for looking at stuff to order. So it's super fun. So I think that's it. I will tell you the next video I'm going to do. I'm going to, well, maybe I won't. Just come back. It uses some new dies, new stamps. I'm going to mix it with a little bit of old, and then this really, really pretty paper. But there just wasn't room to do it all at once. And I didn't want the color stuff to get lost in the card. So that's your new colors. And come back and tomorrow and see the card. Have a great one. Bye.